Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to highlight our next topic from unit number 8, food and digestion. So let's open page number 105 from your books. We are going to learn about digestion. Digestion means nizam-e-in-hazam, खाना हजम करने का अमल. In digestion process, after food intake, chewing starts. But even after chewing food still consists of larger pieces. So to dissolve these larger pieces of food, digestion occurs in our body. निज़ाम इन्हज़ाम के ज़रिए खाना हमारे मैदे में हज़म होता है और छोटे डाइजेस्टिबल पीसेस में तब्दील हो जाता है. So these small soluble food molecules can absorb very easily by our body and passed into the bloodstream. Digestion basically occurs with the aid of certain chemicals called enzymes. Enzymes उन chemicals को कहते हैं जो किसी भी chemical process को speed up कर देते हैं. Digestive enzymes are basically present in our body and they are located in digestive juices. खाना हज़म करने के अमल के मुख्तलिफ मराहल ये डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस खाने के मॉलिक्यूल्स के साथ हल हो जाते हैं जिससे खाना आसानी से हज़म हो जाता है. Now it's time to explore the parts of human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of long tube which is called alimentary canal. Human digestive system एक लंबी नाली पर मुश्तमिल होता है जिसे खुराक की नाली कहते हैं. It basically starts from our mouth and runs to the anus. Additionally, it also contains organs like liver. Liver means jigar and pancreas. Pancreas means lablaba. Pancreas produce and store digestive enzymes. These enzymes help to digest different types of food molecules. Few examples of digestive enzymes are amylase and lipase, etc. Okay, let's have a glimpse to an interesting information. Do you know alimentary canal is about 10 meters long and food moves from one part of our body to the other part in almost 24 hours. It means it took one day for the movement of food molecules. Next topic is peristalsis. Peristalsis is a process of pushing food material along the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal has muscular walls that tight and relax to produce wave-like contraction. खुराक की नाली में खाना मुंह से लेकर आंत तक लहरोनुमा हरकत के ज़रिए गुजरता है. इस अमल को पेरिस्टाल्सिस कहते हैं. As you can see in the picture, muscular walls of gullet allows muscular contraction and move food balls very easily in wave-like form. Okay, now we will go through the meaning of difficult words. Our first word is bloodstream. Bloodstream means खून का धारा. Next word is pancreas. Pancreas means lablaba. Next word is liver. Liver means jigar. Next word is contraction. Contraction means sukudao. Our last word is squeeze. Squeeze means nichorna. Okay, now we will have a test yourself session. Our first question is, why must food be digested? Our answer will be to absorb small food molecules and pass them into the bloodstream. Next question is, what do enzymes do? Yes, we know that enzymes helps to break down the larger food molecules and speed up the process of digestion. Our next question is roughly how long the alimentary canal is. Yes, we know that alimentary canal is almost 10 meters long. Last question is roughly how long it does take food to move from one end to the other end. Yes, we know that food take almost 24 hours, that is one day, to move from one part of our body to the other part of our body. That's all about our today's lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.